This is the other elevator here at my church. This is called Oak Hill Baptist Church in Somerset, Kentucky. It's a Dover. It's hydraulic. This building now has 2 elevators. There's another building which has a brand new elevator they put in a few months ago. Go 3. Let's be quiet. Let the door close button works. I like that. Listen to the motor. You're right, 3. It's dark up here. Let's ring the bell. I'm going in to get a cab because I'm going to tell you about the elevator when we're going down. Whoa. Can you get a cab view? Just a basic Dover elevator. Alarm bell barely works. The phone works, the 988 phone. There it goes. It's blinking now. Yeah, we have another building they just put in a new elevator called a DC elevator about around August 31st, 2018. Very nice elevator. There's one that was installed. This one was installed a long time ago. Here we are, one. Gonna sit up real quick. I am flashing a little battery, so I gotta make this video quick. Just in time. Listen to the motor. I'm gonna climb back down real quick. Gotta hurry. Kind of in a hurry. Make this video quick. Just in time. Over here, some storage. Fire alarm panel, breakers, all kind of equipment. There's some of the Dover elevator keys. All right. Gonna turn the light off. I did something. I don't know what that says. The family line electrical. And there's the elevator, and that's it.